arrived at the Dung Spreading job, and matey boy's not here yet, he's just having his lunch. It's a complete bastard when somebody makes you late, and then everyone else is late. Matey boy that's going to load me now, he's not late. I'm late, even though I was coming earlier. So thanks, Tim. And I look a complete mess. Oh my god. Ooh. Hideous. So, welcome back to a Wednesday video. As promised on the Sunday video, this is Saturday of last week, if that makes sense. But anyway, we are dung spreading again for Jack Gordon, and he has kindly sent me the footage that he took on his drone from Saturday. There's a few entries from him, and then there is a little bit of me flying. I did crash it straight into the dung heap. Sorry, Jack, I didn't mean to. I was trying to be skilled. I'm definitely not skilled, but as you can see, Jack did a much better job than I did. Thank you very much. There we go, look, here's me having a go with the drone. I must say, after having a go with it, I do fancy the idea of having my own, but I will have to put a lot of practice in, because it is actually quite difficult flying a drone. See, now this is what I mean by it's quite difficult flying a drone, because after the 2 or 3 minutes of flying it, I thought I was a genius, and bang, ended up in a great big pile of poo. But nothing was broken, all was well. Jack did see the funny side of it. So, yeah, thank you very much for letting me have a go with that one, Jack. I'm very sorry for crashing it. Now we're on to Sunday afternoon, I think this was. This was sent to me by Tim. He kindly filmed it for me after I asked him. This is the thumb in action that I welded on for him on Saturday morning before I went to Jack's, where Tim was late, if we all remember. 2 hours. And he had rugby training that afternoon. I don't know how he managed to be so late when you got rugby training. Come on, Timothy. God. But as you can see, he's doing a marvellous job of hedge laying or hedge topping, whatever he's doing. But yeah, very good. Thank you very much for watching. I shall see you again on Sunday, hopefully, I think. Probably. Anyway, click the like button, subscribe, and I shall see you on Sunday.